Linking your bank to Funnel EO is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your financial data efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the setup. Step 1. Create a Funnel EO account. Visit the Funnel EO website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Funnel EO dashboard where you can manage your integrations. Step 3. Navigate to the Bank Integration section. On the dashboard, look for the Settings or Integrations tab. Click on it to find the option for bank integrations. This section will guide you through the process of linking a bank account. Step 4. Select your bank. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Enter your bank credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account credentials securely. This may include your account number and online banking login information. Ensure that you're using a secure connection throughout this process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank should be linked to Funnel EO, allowing you to access and manage your financial data seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for further assistance.